everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Super Stories and I'm sure guys sikhuluma ke ngenimba nakho guys ongasukulindele leli viki nibone last week ukuthi ke uyanga uhambe lo nxene nezichumi zakhe and wa overdo waphuza kakhulu until she had a blackout and she had to be taken to hospital. And ke guys lokho ke nje okwenzekile kuzokwenza ke ukuthi uhlathi kanye nothumeka bahlale phansi babone ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi sidivorce kahle. They'll be cuddling, bekissana and bekhumbula ke ikhathi zabo ke ezadlula. So la amaphepha divorce engazi usazogcina ke engasayinwanga ngoba ke sebeyabona ukuthi ke asikho isidingo sokuhlukana. So guys, enye into ke ezokwenzeka ukuthi ke uAsanda uzohamba ke ayofonela ke uZoleka amcele uba ufuna ukumbona. And guys, he want to go back to leya offer bekade bemnika yona ukuthi ahambe osebenza ekhusela. But ke guys, andimthembi ke uAsanda, andimthembi angimthembi nje kwakhona, angeke nje futhi uzomthembe when it come to ibusiness ke lesekhaya after ke lento eyenzeka ke ukuthi ke he was hoping noma ke wayethemba ukuthi ke uzophatha inkampani yasekhaya bavele bafaka ke uZoleka. So guys, he is taking the offer but I don't trust him at all. So I think this might be Zoleka and Lazarus fall after ke bethathe ke uAzanda bambuyisela ke enkampanini. Okunye ke guys okuzokwenzeka ukuthi uPortia kanye ke nomawethu guys, I don't know if they have passed or kwakwenzekalani in the past, but ke guys they will be kissing laphayana ke and lokho ke might compromise imisebenzi yabo. I don't know ukuthi kuzo affect kanjani because they are working for ama company ama competitors. So I don't know how the relationship yabo will work. But ke guys yona ke bona sengathi ke izokwenzeka and kusho ukuthi ukhona ozocompromise the company values. So yeah guys, we are hoping for the best, especially we are happy for uthumeka kanye ke nohlathi bakithi. We are very happy ukuthi babona ukuthi asikho isidingo sokuthi ba divorce, asikho isidingo sokuthi ke ba divorce, abaxolelane bahlale phansi bakhulise ke uyanga. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.